Have you ever noticed how the market seems to know exactly where to hurt you? You feel confident and suddenly it drops. You finally enter and it reverses. You exit early and then it runs without you. Here's what almost nobody tells you. The market is not doing anything to you. It is showing you something about you. Most traders spend years studying charts, learning patterns, memorizing setups, and still they lose. Not because the strategy is bad, but because in the moment, when real money is on the line, something happens inside. The setup is perfect, but you don't take it, or you take it and exit too early, because you're scared, or you hold too long, because you can't accept being wrong. The market doesn't care about your fear. It doesn't care about your need to be right. It just moves. And in that movement, it reveals everything you haven't looked at in yourself. Your impatience, your greed, your fear of loss, your need for validation. The market is not your enemy. It's a mirror. Let me show you 3 moments. See if you recognize yourself. You've been waiting for this setup. It appears clean, clear. Your rules say, enter, but you hesitate. What if it fails? What if I'm wrong? Price moves without you. Your plan worked. You didn't. What stopped you? The market? Or the fear inside your chest? You saw the setup, but you believed your fear more than your plan. The market didn't stop you. Your own mind did. You're in profit. Your target is near. Your plan says exit. But you think, just a little more. Price keeps going. You hold, then it pulls back. Your profit shrinks. Break even. Now red. You exit in frustration. What happened? It wasn't the market. It was the voice that said, more. And that voice is never satisfied. You take a loss, a normal loss, but it feels personal. Now you're angry. You open another trade immediately. No setup. No clarity, just reaction. You're not trading the market. You're trading your bruised ego, the need to be right, the need to win back what was taken. But nothing was taken. The market simply moved. Pause for a moment. Which of these 3 feels most familiar to you? Fear, greed, or ego? Write just 1 word in the comments, not to judge yourself, but to begin seeing clearly. Most people respond to this by saying, I need more discipline. I need to control my emotions. But fighting your emotions is just another form of conflict. There's another way. Next time you're about to enter a trade, pause for 3 seconds and ask yourself, what am I feeling right now? Not what you should feel, not what's correct, just what is here. Tightness in the chest, excitement, fear. Don't fix it. Don't suppress it. Just see it. When you see it clearly, something shifts. You are no longer inside the fear. You are the one noticing the fear. And in that small space, between feeling and noticing, there is freedom. From that space, action becomes clearer, not forced, not emotional, just clear. Now let's go 1 layer deeper. Who is it that needs to win? Who is it that feels crushed when losing? Is it your account balance? No, that's just a number. Is it your win rate? Just statistics. The deepest insight trading offers is not about strategy. It's about identity. Trades come and go. Emotions come and go. Thoughts come and go, but the awareness that sees them remains. When you begin to see this clearly, something relaxes. You can still care. You can still trade seriously. But you are no longer holding your identity inside each trade. You win? Okay. You lose? Okay. At the end of the day, you close the platform. And you are still whole. The market did not add to you. The market did not take from you. It only revealed you. The charts will keep moving. You will win some, lose some. But if you pay attention, really pay attention, you'll start to see the struggle was never with the market. It was with the stories you told yourself about the market. And when you see those stories clearly, they begin to lose their grip. The mirror is always there. The only question is, are you willing to look? If this perspective shifted something for you, even slightly, consider sharing it with another trader who might need it. Sometimes the best thing we can offer is not a strategy, but clarity. I'll see you in the next reflection.